In this video, we will show you how to quickly get started with the BOYALINK 2. Please remove the protective film from both the transmitter and receiver before use. Install the USB-C or Lightning adapter into the receiver's slot. Then connect it to your phone, tablet, computer, or other devices. Press and hold the power buttons on both the transmitter and receiver to power on. The transmitters and receiver come prepared. If pairing fails, try this. With both off, hold the power button for 5 seconds until the blue light flashes. The indicator lights will turn solid blue within 10 seconds once pairing is successful. The receiver's output mode can be switched between mono and stereo. Double press the receiver's power button to enable the speaker function. Press the plus and minus buttons simultaneously on the transmitter to activate noise cancellation. Place the transmitter and receiver into the charging case to charge.